welcome to today's lesson on 3D shapes. Okay, so yesterday we looked at 2D shapes and their properties. Today we're going to look at 3D shapes. So yesterday we said that a 2D shape has got what? Why is it 2D shape? It's two-dimensional, so it has height and width. What's the difference between the 2D shape and the 3D shape? So, as you can see, this one also has depth, okay? It goes backwards, forwards, okay? Gives it some depth to it. So it's a 3D shape. It's a solid object, rather than being just flat, okay? Have a think, what 3D shapes can you name? Let's see if you can get any of the ones I'm about to show you on the board, okay? I might disappear off the screen for a minute, but you can see the board quite clearly. So what is this shape? This shape is a cube. Well done if you got that right. Okay, let's have a think. What other objects are in the shape of a cube? Well, here we have lots. I like the present especially. Here is, what is this shape? Do you know what this shape is? It is a cuboid. Can you think of any objects which are in the shape of a cuboid? Well, here we have lots. A television, a tower block, packet of cereal. What's this one? Do you know what this one is? This is a sphere. Sphere, okay? Have a think. What can you think is in the shape of a sphere? Okay, so football, very popular. Any kind of ball, oranges, apples, even earth. Yeah, they're all spheres. What's this one? Do you know what this one is? It is a cone. Well done if you got it right. Objects are in the shape of a cone. Well, an ice cream cone probably. A cone from the side of the road. Party hat. Okay, here is another 3D shape. This is called, you know, a cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. Objects that are in the shape of a cylinder. Bins, packet of Pringles, can of Coke. Do you know what this one is? This is quite a tricky one. This is a, look at the base. It's a square-based pyramid. Okay, and here are some pyramids in Egypt. Okay, so those are objects that are square-based pyramids. Do you know what this one is called? This one is called a triangular prism, like a Toblerone bar. Okay, so when it comes to 3D shapes, you describe them slightly differently than 2D shapes because they're different shapes. So have a think, how could you describe them? What words do we use to describe these shapes? Okay, you can't just say that it's got 6 sides and 4 vertices. Okay, because it doesn't, none of them have that. And also just describing the vertices and sides won't help us to know the depth. So, we need to tell the people that you can use property. These properties are the things that you can help describe 3D shapes. So we have bases, edges, and vertices. Okay? Faces, edges, and vertices. They help us describe 3D shapes. Here we go. Here is the face. Here is the face of the cube. Okay? So it's the entire area that covers this part in the red line. Okay? So the square, you can see that this cube has got square faces. Okay? It actually has 6 square faces. If that helps. All cubes have got 6 square faces. An edge, okay? Nearly all 3D shapes have got edges, okay? I always think, you know, if you stood at the edge of anything, you know, like the swimming pool, you can jump off it, can't you, because it's the edge. So that's how you remember that these have edges. Okay, you can see all of these edges here. They're all edges. Can you count how many edges this cuboid has? Give it a go. Okay, if you guessed or counted 12, You would be right, there are 12 edges. I'm going to prove it to you if you're not sure. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, but there's also 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, and 12 edges on a cuboid. Okay, so here we have the vertices, or basically the corners, the pointy bits, okay? And this is a triangular base pyramid because it's got a triangle for its base, okay? It has how many vertices? Tell me. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The pointy bits, okay? The face is the shape of a square, so we can use the description, the properties of the faces to tell us, to describe what the shape looks like. So, using these words, how could we describe a cube? Okay, so here we have a cube. It has 6 faces. If you think about it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, you can't see it very well because it's 3D, you have to turn it around. Maybe you've got some shapes at home. Maybe you can find things that are very similar shaped. Okay, like a box of cereal is a cuboid. Okay, the football is a sphere. Have a think. If you really need to see them, all go online and you can find videos online which show you 3D shapes so you can see them on all the sides. It has 6 faces that are all square shaped, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, tell me about a cone. You tell me all about a cone. How could you describe the cone? If I can't see the cone and I don't know it's a cone, how could you tell me that it's a cone? Okay, what properties has it got? So, this cone here, how many vertices does it have? Just the one. Okay, one pointy bit. How many faces does it have? Now, it's a bit tricky when they're round, okay, but this is all one face, okay, because it's the flat side and it doesn't have any edges to break it up. So that bit is all one face, and this bit is another face. So it has 2 faces. And then that bit there is the edge. So it has 1 vertex, 2 faces, and 1 edge. Okay, you tell me all about this cylinder here. Tell me all about the cylinder. What's its properties? What can you see? Or can't see, because it's a 3D shape. Okay, it has, how many faces does it have? It has 3 faces, 2 edges, and no vertices. It has no pointy bits. Okay, the sphere. Sphere. Tell me all about the sphere. Does it have any edges? Does it have any vertices? Does it have any faces? It has a face, no edges, and no vertices. Okay, it's just one big, huge, round, curved face. Okay, and finally, before you do your worksheet, it might help you to have a look around your home and see if you can find any more 3D shapes. Okay, have a look at their faces, see what shape they are. If you look at the television, most of you these days won't have cuboid televisions. They'll all be 2D, won't they? Well, probably a little bit of a depth, but not very much. Okay, so 3D shapes. Go around and have a look around your house and see if you can find some. And I will see you next week because the next 2 worksheets are about shapes and patterns in shapes, okay? I don't think you need any descriptions on those at all because you're also super clever. Okay, you can work out patterns in shapes. If you need any help, please email me and I will help you. And if you don't need any help and you just want to chat, email me anyway, and it'll be lovely to talk to you. And I will see you soon.